For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Several traders in India say Chinese products should not be banned with immediate effect. Traders say Indian businesses and customers will be hard hit due to such drastic decisions. Traders say they are in favor of banned China products, but they need some time. Hiking import duties immediately can kill demand, which will hurt our business, said the traders. Traders also say that hiking import duties could end up burdening the customers. There have been several protests across the country demanding a ban on Chinese products. Protesters are seeking to avenge the death of Indian soldiers at Galwan Valley by banning Chinese products.
This is our area. This is our area.
The clash has prompted a debate on whether India should wage a trade war against China.
There are certain products which are not manufactured in India at all, like a commercial, like a trade, like these products are not manufactured here at all. So now if this they stop or they increase the duty, why if they increase the duty, the consumer will get burdened. I as an importer will import, pay whatever the duty government says, but if say they increase 20% or 30% duty, then the consumer get affected.
Traders argue that a blanket ban on Chinese imports will hurt all their businesses. Custom officials have withheld Chinese products for now. Custom officials are awaiting further orders from the Government of India. As of now, the government has officially not given any orders on Chinese products.
If a consumer say wants a treadmill for 50,000 rupees, tomorrow the treadmill budget goes to 80. He will say no, I'll go for a cycle. So we don't mind manufacturing in India, sir, but what you have to give time for this. Otherwise, what will happen is, suppose the demand itself goes down, like I being an importer, why will I go into manufacturing when there's no demand?
Traders argue that the timing would also hurt businesses irrevocably. The lockdown has already affected businesses. Such a harsh ban will further impact the economy.
Raw materials like rubber, for dumbbells what we manufacture and things like that, you have about 200 employees. If the raw material has been stopped, as it is before COVID during lockdown, 2 months factories were closed, the owners burdened by the rent and by the salaries. Again for 2 months if the raw material doesn't come, so those 300 employees jobs are in danger. So these are the basic things.
India-China soldiers clashed at Galwan Valley on June 15th night. India slammed the Chinese transgression without provocation. Currently, de-escalation efforts are underway between the two countries.